بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When that which is meant to occur will occur,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
at that time there will be no room for anyone to deny its occurrence.
خافضة رافعة
It will be degrading some and elevating some.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth will tremble by trembling,
وبست الجبال بسا
and the mountains will disintegrate into dust,
فكانت هباء منبثا.
so they will become like fine scattered dust particles in filtered light.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you will become of three categories.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة.
So, firstly, those who are on the right. How fortunate are those who are on the right, i.e., the people of paradise.
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة.
And secondly, those who are on the left. How unfortunate are those who are on the left, i.e., the people of hell.
والسابقون السابقون.
And thirdly, those who surpassed, they absolutely did surpass to enter it.
أولئك المقربون.
It is they who are nearest to the majestic court of Allah.
في جنات النعيم.
They are in gardens of bliss.
ثلة من الأولين.
A large group from the earlier generations
وقليل من الآخرين.
and a few from the latter generations.
على سرر موضونة.
The closed ones will be on the coated thrones,
متكئين عليها متقابلين.
reclining on them, facing each other.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون.
Circling around them to serve shall be eternal male youths,
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين.
carrying vessels and jugs and cups filled with wine of paradise flowing before the eyes.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون.
It will not cause headache, nor shall it affect their soberness.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون.
And fruits that they may desire.
ولحم طير مما يشتهون.
And the meat of birds that they may wish.
وحور عين.
And large gorgeous-eyed hurs, i.e., maidens from paradise,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون.
like pearls kept hidden,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
as a reward for their deeds.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما.
They will not hear any useless or sinful speech in it,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما.
Yes, they will be saying this to one another, Salam, Salam.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين.
And those on the right, how fortunate are those on the right.
في سدر مخضود.
They will be amongst the berry trees without thorns,
وطلح منضود.
and in clusters of bananas,
وظل ممدود.
and in everlasting shade,
وماء مسكوب.
and amongst continuously flowing water,
وفاكهة كثيرة.
and an abundance of fruits,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
which neither come to an end nor are prohibited,
وفرش مرفوعة.
and on beddings raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء.
We have indeed created these women, i.e., the maidens of paradise, with an excellent growth.
فجعلناهن أبكارا
Hence, made them virgins,
عربا أترابا
loved by their husbands, displaying love for their husbands, being of the same age.
لأصحاب اليمين
Whores are created for the ones on the right side.
ثلة من الأولين
From the former generation, a large group,
وثلة من الآخرين
and from the latter generation, a large group.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال
And those on the left, how despicable are those on the left,
في سموم وحميم
in scorching hot wind and boiling hot water,
وظل من يحموم
and in the shadow of burning smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم
which is neither cool nor of honor.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين
Indeed, they were indulging in luxury before this,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم
and were stubborn upon the great sin of polytheism.
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
And they used to say, "What, when we are dead and have turned into dust and bones, will we surely be raised again?"
أوآباؤنا الأولون
And our former forefathers as well.
قل إن الأولين والآخرين
Say you, O beloved, without doubt, all the former and the latter will be raised.
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم
They will definitely be gathered on the appointed time of the known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون
Then indeed you, O misguided ones, O beliers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم
you will indeed eat from the Zaqqum tree.
فمالئون منها البطون
Then you will fill your bellies with it.
فشاربون عليه من الحميم
And on top of this, you will drink boiling water.
فشاربون شرب الهيم
Then you will be drinking just like very thirsty camels drink.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين
This is their hospitality on the day of justice.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون
We created you, so why do you not accept the truth?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون
Have you contemplated over the sperm which you discharge?
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
Is it you who created human being out of it, or are we the creator?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
It is we who have decreed death amongst you, and we have not been outdone from it.
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
That after causing you to die, we may replace the likes of you and make you into such forms of which you know not.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And indeed you have known about the initial creation, then why do you not ponder?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
So, have you considered that which you sow?
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Is it you who cause crops to grow, or are we the grower?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون.
If we will, we can make it like dry trampled grass, so you would remain saying sorrowfully
إنا لمغرمون
that we have been ruined in our wealth.
بل نحن محرومون
Rather, we remained ill-fated.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
So, what do you say regarding that water which you drink?
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Is it you who brought it down from the clouds? Or is it we who cause it to come down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون.
If we will, so we can make it salty, then why are you not grateful?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون
So, what do you say regarding that fire which you ignite?
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون.
Is it you who grew its tree? Or is it we who are the creator of it?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين.
We have made it, i.e., the fire, a reminder of hell and as a benefit for travelers in the jungle.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So, O beloved, glorify the name of your Lord, the most great.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم.
So, I swear an oath by the places where the stars set.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم.
And if you understand, so it is a great oath.
إنه لقرآن كريم.
Indeed, this is the respected Quran.
في كتاب مكنون.
It is in the preserved book.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون.
No one may touch it except with wudu, i.e., ritual ablution.
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
Sent down by the Lord of all the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون.
Do you show laziness in the statement?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون.
And you keep this your share that you belie?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم.
Then why should it not be that when the soul of a dying person reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون.
and you are watching at that moment,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون.
and we are nearer to him than you are, but you see not?
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
So why was it not, if you are to be exempted from recompense,
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
that you bring it, i.e., the soul of the dying person back if you are truthful?
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
Then if the one dying is of those who are close to Allah,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
so for such is relief and flowers and gardens of peace.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين.
And if the dying person is of those of the right side,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين.
so, O beloved, upon you be salam, i.e., peace from those on the right side.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين
he, i.e., the dying person, is from those who belie the misguided,
فنزل من حميم
then his hospitality is boiling water
وتصلية جحيم
and thrusting into the blazing fire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين
This is indeed a statement of certainty of the highest level.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
Therefore, O beloved, glorify the name of your great Lord.
صدق الله العظيم